Hi, I'm Joe. Welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to briefly talk about horticultural charcoal and demonstrate how to use it. So horticultural charcoal can help protect plants from overwatering. It also increases airflow and aeration of the soil, improving fertility and accelerating plant growth. In addition, it is known that it can protect roots from bacteria, fungi, and rot as it absorbs excess water. But is it really that good? Starting today, I'm going to use one of my snake plants to find out. But first, there are some basic numbers you should remember before using horticultural charcoal. Charcoal in general is known to be alkaline, and based on previous studies, hardwood charcoal's pH ranges between 6.5 and 8.4. As you might know, most plants thrive between pH range of 6 to 7. And snake plants are known to thrive between pH range of 5.5 to 7.5. The potting mix I'm using today is Miracle Grow Moisture Control Potting Mix, and its pH range is between 5.5 to 6.2. So if too much charcoal is mixed in the soil, it can raise the soil's pH, which can cause nutrient deficiency for the plant. I will show you how to mix the proper amount. The horticultural charcoal I'm using today is made while burning hardwood. It is naturally formed without the use of chemicals, coloring, or any harmful substances. This product was provided to me for free to try it out from an Amazon seller. I will receive a little compensation if you buy this product using the link in the description below. Okay, let's try it out. I bought one bag of new potting mix. This is Moisture Control Potting Mix from Miracle Grow. It is 25 dry quart, and this is the product that I received for free. This product is 1.5 quart. And I also brought my measurement cup. The general rule is to mix 2 cups of horticultural charcoal into 1 cubic feet of potting mix. So I'm gonna divide this accordingly and mix 1 cup of horticultural charcoal into that. So if you use this much of soil out of this bag, this should be roughly 0.5 cubic foot. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of horticultural charcoal into this amount. So that is 1 cup of horticultural charcoal. It's a little dusty, so if you're doing this, I recommend doing it outdoors. Okay, now let's mix this into the soil. Oh, my bad, there was a little bit of miscalculation. So the soil that I put in this cart is 0.6 cubic foot. So I'm going to put a little bit more horticultural charcoal. You'll put 1 cup of horticultural charcoal into 0.5 cubic foot of potting soil. So this is how it looks after mixing. Yeah, you can barely notice, but the charcoal is mixed in. So it turns out that 1 bag of potting mix is 1 cubic foot. So you only need to use half of that bag and put 1 cup of horticultural charcoal into it. Okay, I brought in the mixed soil into my room. But how do we know that the horticultural charcoal will really benefit the plant? So I brought in the regular potting mix as well to do a little experiment. And I prepared one of my snake plants. This is Futura Superba, and it has 2 baby pups. the baby pups are similar in size and they both come from the same mother plant here. So I think this will be a fair experiment. And I also prepared 2 identical pots. One is for the horticultural charcoal soil and one is for the regular soil. And I'm gonna observe over time. I can't give an instant answer to the question, but I'll give updates along the way. So let's plant this snake plant into the new pots and observe over time. Okay, let's get the plant out first. Okay, the plant is out. I'll quickly divide this. Okay, that was quick. The plant is divided. Okay, I have 2 baby pups here. The one on the right has 2 leaves and one on the left also have 2 leaves, but the second leaf is small. So I'm gonna put this one in the soil that's mixed with horticultural charcoal. They say that the horticultural charcoal will accelerate growth. If that's true, this plant will kind of catch up to this plant, right? Okay, let's pot the first one into the soil that's mixed with horticultural charcoal. Okay, the first one is finished. That looks nice. Okay, now let's do the second one. I'll use regular potting mix for this one. And today I didn't mix any additional perlite. Since people say that horticultural charcoal can improve drainage, I just wanted to do an experiment without perlite. Okay, I'm gonna put regular potting mix. Okay, the second one is done. That looks nice. I'm going to put them indoors in a room that has a east-facing window. Okay, that looks nice. So this is an east-facing window. They will receive a good amount of light. Yeah, I'm curious what result it will bring. So I will observe over time and give you guys updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.